I swear to God, somebody knocking on my window. Man, I looked up, nigga, window. Matter of fact, I said, yo, stop and knock on my window. It was like a nigga hanging, man, so I'm saying, though. This money, motherfucking, I'm good, nigga, I'm sendo. Wallow in this bitch, I'm old school like Nintendo. Somebody knocking on my door, let's get in though. What up? Hola, amigo.
Yeah, check out today, right?
2 o'clock, but I might be staying. I might be staying though. And I'm still random. Wallow in this bitch, nigga, yo, shout out to Lane though. Shout out to everybody in Baltimore, nigga, they ain't get the chance though. I'm in this motherfucker, got my grandfather dance pants though. Nigga see me now, nigga, I need a cigarette now though. Matter of fact, I'm outside, yo, let's go here walk around though. Look, I could be like a fucking commando. I seen so many wars outside and it's time for me to land though. I smile, y'all. Oh, there you go, there you go. Hold up, where the light at, y'all? All right, there you go, oh, yeah, there you go. Look, nigga, I'm so good, nigga, yo. There you go. Wallow in this bitch, WDJWYLO-T, no D. Yo, not wild out like Nick Cannon. Mariah in here. I'm so good, my fire is here. It's Washington, it's Kevin Hart. Yo, let's get to Baltimore. Hey, City, y'all, we should just start. Hey, Meek and Drake, y'all better stop this shit, cause Drake is just a part. Yo, Drake just mad at you because his life just fell apart. Man, oh my goodness, y'all. I dedicate the shit to heart. Shout out to everybody in hip hop. Yo, this is my fucking art. And I probably, yo, this movie hard. And it's only 1 minute and 30 seconds, so I'm going out. Google my name.